right, we're going to look in our science book today. It says vibrate and make sound. Pluck a guitar string. What happens? The string moves back and forth. When things move quickly back and forth, they vibrate. Things that vibrate make sound. Okay, so remember, sound is made through vibrations. When things move back and forth quickly, it's called vibrating. Okay, and when things vibrate, that's how we get sound. If it doesn't vibrate, there is no sound. So they talk about the guitar. So I'm going to show you on a ukulele. Okay, here's the ukulele. Do you see the strings on them? Now these strings are pulled really tight. Okay, in order for something to vibrate, they need to either be pulled very tight or it needs to be a hard surface. Okay, so that vibrations can happen. Okay, so when I take and I pull this string, it vibrates, and that's where you get sound. So I'm going to move it a little closer so that you can see. You ready? Watch what happens when I pull this string. Okay, did you see the string moving? And if you look really carefully, it vibrates. Let me pull this. Okay. Okay, it's moving back and forth. And actually, if I put my hand on the guitar, I can feel it vibrating. Pull another string. Oh, did you see that vibrate? Okay, so the strings, okay, they go down and they vibrate. Hard to see them clearly. Ooh, make different sounds, don't they, as you pluck the strings. Okay, so those vibrations is what makes the different sounds. It depends on how fast or how slow it vibrates. Okay, so now we're going to check out this guy right over here. It says science in a snap. Feel vibrations. Touch your throat as you talk. Listen to the sound. Repeat this time, talk louder. Okay, so I want you to check out what the boy's doing. Do you see how he's putting his hand on his throat? Okay, when you put your hand on your throat, that is where your vocal cords are. And that's what's going to be vibrating inside of you that allows sound to come out of your mouth. Okay, so it's those vibrations, okay, that cause sound. So take a minute, put your hand on your throat. Talk. Do you feel the vibrations? Now I want you to talk louder with your hand on your throat. What do you feel? What changes when you talk louder? So when you talk quiet like this, and then you talk loud. Did you feel more vibrations when you talked loud? Yeah, if you didn't, then try that experiment over again. Okay, talk quietly like this. Give a whisper with your hand on your throat. And then talk louder and see if you can feel the difference. All right, so then we have our wrap it up. What does vibrate mean? Okay, what does it mean to vibrate? Vibrate means to move back and forth quickly. So then we want to think about what are some other things that vibrate. Okay, what sounds do they make? So as you go about your day today, maybe before you move on to the next topic, think about other things that vibrate. When they vibrate, they make sound. Okay, so think about how you might be able to make sound and then think about what could be vibrating.